Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po uli si Police Lieutenant Ariel Gloria Tamo. I am a registered nurse and a registered criminologist and also a licensed professional teacher. I've finished also my Master of Arts in Nursing and a Master of Public Administration, and I'm pursuing my Doctor of Education as of now. Okay, so ang topic natin for tonight in relation dun sa mga applicants natin for next week na pinapatawag na po ng mga sa recruitment natin. So pag-uusapan natin at least yung tinatawag natin body mass index or yung BMI. Bakit kailangan natin malaman to? Kasi para mabigyan kayo ng idea kung paano i-compute niyan. Although ang gagamitin kasi nila is machine. Okay, ang gagawin nyo lang, tatanggalin nyo yung sapatos nyo or even your sock or your medyas, tapos papapunta kayo dun sa machine, nakaharap kayo dun sa machine, and then yung machine na po magko-compute sa inyo. Okay, so at least ngayon, kung marunong kayo mag-manual, o kaya meron din tayong pwedeng yan ang mga apps na gagamitin natin. I-type nyo lang yun, BMI apps lang. So, nakalagay doon, ilalagay nyo na lang. I-fill up nyo na lang yung kakailangan. At makikita ninyo na kung ano yung result noon. So, ngayon, paano natin imamanual? Paano natin i-compute yung body mass index na tinatawag natin? So, ano bang ibig sabihin yung body mass index natin? It's a person's weight in kilograms or even in pounds divided by the square of height in meters or in feet. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the result of your BMI, there is always a corresponding result or yung categories niya. So, depending sa inyo. So, malalaman natin o makikita natin yung ginagamit natin ngayon na BMI result na kinoconsider natin is 26.5. Okay? 26.5 siya. Ayan. So, I will be teaching you on how to compute the body mass index para hindi kayo mahirapan pagdating. And, of course, you will be giving a knowledge on how to compute. Okay. Para at least alam nyo na kung ito babawasan ko kasi overweight pala ako. Kailangan kong magsumikat kasi overweight ako. Kailangan kong kumain ng marami kasi ganun. Pero wag niyo namang sagarin ng sagarin. Kasi sabi nga nila, too much is dangerous. Yung saktong lang. So, since next week, meron pa kayong mga how many days? Meron pa kayong 3 days to prepare. Okay lang din naman yan. Kasya pa na at least paano is pwede pa konti mabawasan, no? Okay, so paano natin i-compute yan? Okay? So this is the body mass index formula natin. So we have your body mass index is equal to weight. It should be in kilogram and divided into square of your height in meter squared naman siya. Nakuha po? Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang height ninyo is 1.75, so, to compute or to get the meter squared niya is kailangan nyo yung multiply it by itself. Example, 1.75. Pag 1.75 siya, so times 0.175 siya. Okay? It should be in meter siya. Next. So, let's have an example. Ayan, ang example natin ito. I-compute natin para maintindihan nyo. Ayan. So, assuming your height is 1.75 meters or in centimeter is 175. So, simple, kung centimeter po yan, 175, nyo lang siya. Move to decimals lang siya to get the meters, 1.75. Okay? So, meron na tayong height. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? You have to multiply it by itself para makakuha natin yung height square in meter squared siya. So, 1.75 times 1.75, meters squared is equal to 3.06 meters squared. Okay? Ayan. So, assuming nakuha natin yung weight natin, which is 75 kilograms, so i-apply na natin yan sa formula natin, which is the BMI is equal to weight in kilograms divided into height squared in meter. Ayan. So, supply natin. So, yung weight natin, that is equivalent to 75 kilograms. Tama. So, divided into height squared or meter squared natin. So, ilan yun yung nakuha natin? We have 3.06. So, what will be the outcome? Ayan, 24.5. So, 24.5 yung result. Eh, ang kailangan lang ng PNP natin is 26.5. So, ibig sabihin, pasok tayo. Nakuha. So, paano natin malalaman? Okay, so paano natin malalaman na you are in a normal? So meron tayong mga BMI categories. So meaning kapag yung result ninyo is lower than 18.5, that is considered as underweight. Okay? And yung range natin for the normal weight is 18.5 to 24.9. O, di ba? Normal pa siya. Normal weight, 18.5 to 24.5. So, kung ano yung makukuha nyo dyan within that range, ibig sabihin, that is normal. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang kailangan natin sa PNP is 26.5. Yung pinapa-required sa atin. So, overweight, ayan, 25 to 29.9. And yung obesity natin, that is BMI of 30 or greater, that is considered as obesity. Yan. So, yung mga nag-a-apply, kailangan nyo ng, kailangan siyang i-prepare yung sarili ninyo kasi maray nyo, baka magkahigpitan, nag-overweight kayo, or even in obesity, so baka grounds for disqualification rin yan. Okay? Lalo yung obesity, masyadong mataas na yan. Mas lalo pa pag yung BMI ninyo is greater than 40, ayan, morbidly obese na ang tawag natin doon. Okay? O, andyan siya. Kung makikita nyo, meron tayong categories and classifications. Medically obese and extremely obese. Nakalagay dyan. Okay? So, ang ganun gagawin ninyo, pag tumatakbo kayo, try ninyo mag-weight na para matingnan ninyo kung ano yung weight ninyo and then yung height ninyo in preparation for your BMI next week. Ayan lang po. Thank you very much. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo para at least papaano magkakaroon kayo ng magandang preparasyon. Thank you very much and God bless us all.